Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to do isoquants and returns and return to scale. Okay, returns to scale. So firstly, when your inputs increase by the same amount as the increase in outputs, we have constant returns to scale. And in other words, it's when our output is equal to our input, we have constant returns to scale. So this right here is our production function for which our inputs are equal to our output. And below it is when our output is greater than our input, we have increasing returns to scale. Again, our production function for when our output is greater than our input. And then, of course, when our output is less than our inputs, we have decreasing returns to scale. Okay, and you can see the sign for each of the above. Okay, then we have the Cobb-Douglas production function, all right, which is Q, which is A times L, alpha times K times beta. Okay, and it's very important for you to pay attention to this equation, because when we deal with increasing returns to scale, it's very important to know your alpha and your beta. Okay, so y equals to alpha plus beta, which equals to 1. We have constant returns to scale. When y equals to, notice, a plus b, alpha plus beta, when it's greater than 1, you have increasing returns to scale. And when alpha plus beta is less than 1, you have decreasing returns to scale. With that in mind, I would like you to try these questions below. If you take a half plus a half, what is it going to give you? It's going to give you 1, right? That is, and what is 1? 1 takes you back to, hold on. 1 takes you back here. It takes you back to the first equation we learned, where alpha plus beta is equal to 1. And when it's equal to 1, we have constant return to scale, as pointed out here. Okay, so I'd like you to try this one, and I would like you to try this one. Cool. Now then, an isoquant is a curve that allows the efficient combinations of labor and capital that can produce a single level of output. Notice it's combinations of labor and capital that can produce output. And your labor and your capital is what? It's your inputs. With that in mind, I will see you in the next video.